This is an Apple Watch Ultra. It costs $800, and this is a smartwatch that costs less than a video game. So today, I'm going to show you 4 incredible smartwatches that all cost under $100. We're going to push them to their limits, see if they can survive our crazy tests, and figure out if you can actually get an amazing smartwatch without spending a fortune. One of these watches claims to be military grade, another has 2 time zones. One has a battery that lasts for 60 days. Can a $56 watch really compete with the big brands? I spent thousands of dollars buying every single budget smartwatch on Amazon. Also, you do not have to waste your money. We're going to look at everything. The screen, the battery, the features, and most importantly, the price. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which of these 4 budget beasts is the right one for you. This is not just a review. It is a challenge to see if cheap tech can actually be good. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. Alright, first up, we have this beast, the military smartwatch. And when I say military, I mean it. The company claims this thing is built to military-grade standards, and honestly, it feels like it. Just holding it, you can feel the rugged build quality. It is not some flimsy piece of plastic. It is designed for people who are tough on their gear. If you're into hiking, climbing, or just ridiculously clumsy like some of my friends, this is probably the watch you've been looking for. It looks like it could survive being run over by a tank, but we will save that test for another video. For now, just look at this thing. It is built for adventure, and it is not just tough on the outside. This thing is packed with features that you'd expect on watches that cost 5 times as much. First off, it has Bluetooth calling. You can literally answer phone calls from your wrist. We tested it, and the microphone is surprisingly clear. Imagine you're halfway up a mountain, your phone is buried in your backpack, and you get a call. With this watch, you just tap your wrist and start talking. It feels like something out of a spy movie, but it actually works and it is super convenient. If you're a fitness fanatic, listen to this. It has over 100 different sports modes. From running, cycling to things I have never even heard of, this watch can track it. It is like having a personal trainer on your wrist, constantly monitoring your every move. Whether you are a professional athlete or just trying to get your 10,000 steps in, this watch has you covered. Of course, a modern smartwatch needs health sensors, and this one does not disappoint. It has all the essentials: heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen, SpO2, and even blood pressure tracking. Now, it is not a medical device, but for getting a general idea of your health stats throughout the day, it is incredibly useful. We compared the heart rate sensor to a more expensive device, and it was surprisingly accurate. Having all that data right on your wrist, 24/7, is a complete game changer for monitoring your well-being. Let us talk about the screen. You are looking at a 1.39-inch HD display, and it is bright, it is sharp, and it is super responsive. The colors pop, and you can easily read it even in direct sunlight. The user interface is smooth, and swiping through the menus feels really intuitive. And what about the battery? This thing is packing a massive 400 milliamp hour battery. The company claims it gets 7 to 10 days of typical use on a single charge. We put that to the test, and we easily got over a week of battery life. That is insane. This one just keeps going and going, which is perfect for multi-day camping trips or just forgetful people. So, who is this watch for? It is for the adventurer, the outdoor enthusiast, the construction worker, or anyone who needs a watch that can take a serious beating and will not die on them. It is for the person who values durability and battery life above all else. You get all of this functionality, all of this durability, and that incredible battery life for a jaw-dropping price. Are you ready for it? The price for this military smartwatch is just $55.99. That is an absolute steal. For less than the price of a new video game, you are getting a feature-packed, ultra-durable smartwatch that punches way, way above its weight class. We were blown away by the value here. This watch proves you do not need to spend a fortune to get something that is both tough and smart. It is an incredible piece of kit for an incredible price. Next on our list is for the people who care about style. This is the FEICE FK030. It is not your typical smartwatch. Just look at it. It completely breaks the mold. The first thing you will notice is the unique big square face. It is bold. It is different. It makes a statement. It does not scream, "I am a piece of tech." It whispers, "I have taste." This is the kind of design that gets noticed and starts conversations. It is a fashion accessory that just happens to be incredibly smart. And check out this strap. Not silicone. or metal. It is a beautiful, genuine leather strap. This single detail elevates the entire watch. It is comfortable to wear all day, and it will develop a unique patina over time. Business meeting. On a date. Just hanging out with friends. It is versatile. It is classy. It proves you do not need to sacrifice style for functionality. This watch looks and feels premium in every way. But it is not just about looks. At its heart, this is a precision timepiece. It is powered by a Japanese quartz movement. You are not just getting a cool-looking gadget, you are getting a dependable clock that will keep perfect time. It combines the reliability of a traditional analog watch with the features of a modern digital display. Look closer at the dial, alarm, full calendar, day and date, chronograph, a stopwatch. It is incredibly practical for everyday life. You can time your workout, set a reminder for a meeting, and check the date, all with a few button presses. Now you might be thinking, a watch that looks this good with a leather strap probably cannot handle getting wet, right? Wrong. Chapter 3. Okay, for our third watch. Practical and travel-ready frequent traveler, work with international teams, love cool features. This is the FEICE Men's Square Quartz Watch. Its killer feature. 2 time zones, analog display, digital display, set them to 2 different times. Keep home time on the analog hands, set the digital to local time. Imagine landing in a new country. See local time at a glance, see time back home at a glance. No more mental math or phone world clock. Great for international calls. Polished, business casual style, close-up polished stainless steel band and clasp, square case, modern and distinctive multifunction, full chronograph, daily alarm, countdown timer, user pressing side buttons. Thanks for der sekord den sherido, an den zedenschmakabin mammer spudendor bedits. ATM water resistance, safe for splashes, solid build, stainless steel case, mineral glass, feels substantial on the wrist. Chapter 4. Okay, for our final watch we are going big. In every sense of the word, this is the FV15 smartwatch, and the first thing that will blow you away is this screen. It is a massive 1.85-inch HD display. It is one of the biggest screens you can get on a smartwatch at any price, let alone under $100. It is bright, it is vibrant, reading notifications, checking your fitness stats, and even just looking at the time is a joy on a display this big and clear. But the most insane thing about this watch is not the screen, it is the battery. This watch is hiding an absolutely monstrous 800 milliamp hour battery. That is double the battery size of most other smartwatches, and, in some cases, triple the battery size. The company claims this leads to 8 to 10 days of heavy use, which is already incredible. But get this, in standby mode, this watch can last for up to 60 days. 2 full months on a single charge. That is not a typo. It is so long you might actually forget where you put the charger. This watch is for the ultimate power user. It is for the person who wants the biggest screen and the longest battery life. Period. If you hate charging your devices and want a watch that you can wear for over a week without even thinking about the battery, this is your champion. So there you have it. 4 incredible smartwatches, all under $100. Proof you do not need to spend a fortune for great features. Indestructible military watch, $56. Perfect for adventurers. Super stylish FEICE FK030, $70. Design sign Stein, EB, it's stamp sign the von Sans, Tigo Dieswen Tomber, Lubber, Avri, Bin in Fear Tees. Ultimate Traveler's Companion, the dual-time FEICE, $80. Battery and Screen Monster, the Bidawat B1, the FV15, $90. Which one would you choose? Tell me in the comments below. All the links are in the description. We bought all of these with our own money. Real, honest opinion. Hit subscribe. We give away a lot of the tech we review. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.